Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I clean out my ski after a long day on the water. The very first thing I have to do is wash all of the salt off of the exterior. It is important to do this because if the salt is left on, it could cause much damage, such as rust, corrosion, and it could even damage your paint. And as you can see, I'm making sure to get every single spot that was touched by the salt water. The better it is cleaned, the longer these machines will last. The next thing is to always make sure to gently spray any exterior electronics, speakers, dash, etc. Alright, now on to the fun part. It's time to rinse out the engine. Let's pop that off and walk the hose down to the back of the jet ski. Alrighty, now that we're back here, let's pop off the rear seat so we can get a better look at the flush port cap. So now let's just unscrew the cap here and take the hose and screw her in. One of the last steps is to turn on the water and then run on down and start the ski as quick as possible. You want to do this fast, as it may not be good for your engine to have the water running through without the engine running. Now, if you look here on the side, you should see your engine successfully rinsing out. The water is now traveling through the cooling system to wash out all of the corrosive salt that, if left in, could cause major damage to your machine.